taking a bite of food. I'm hungry. If you guys are having fun, though. Thighsquish is a hood classic. I can do it all night. There's literally no end. Never seen a lady burp so. That's because I'm not a lady. I'm the lady. We'll call this a compromise. Hype train incoming. Thank you. Excuse me. That I got. Yeah, I'd be like, you know what? This is a rock. No, you're so right, Thanatos. I've seen Shrek recently. I didn't know I was sexy. Ooh, wait. Good idea. Gosh, why can't I just be temperate? I'm so excited for this sushi. Everybody that wasn't right, I should have covered their ears for that. What's my best talent? You guys want to see something gross? Rail, look away. Mini gifts. But flipping my eyelids out. But it is no less cool. Yeah, I'm 80 fairy years old. That was unique. Unique burps. They call me Mrs. Unique Burps. Yo. I thought you said MAGA burp. Can I get a Make America Great Again? Make America. Hey. So our New Year's a few, but then it's never off.